In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to speed up volume remeshing. If your remeshing feels sluggish or your viewport starts to lag, this quick adjustment can make a noticeable difference without overhauling your setup. We'll focus on the adaptive parameter, which tells the remesher where it can safely reduce detail to save time. Start by selecting the remesh object in your object manager. Make sure you've got the correct one highlighted, especially if your scene contains multiple remesh objects. Selecting the right object ensures you're adjusting the mesh you intend to optimize and helps you see the changes immediately in the viewport. With the remesh object selected, head over to the Attributes panel and locate the remesh settings. This is where the core controls live. If your interface is customized, the panel might be docked in a different place, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the controls specific to the remesh object so you can fine-tune performance directly. Inside those settings, find the parameter labeled Adaptive. By default, it's set to 0%, which forces a uniform polygon density across the entire mesh. That's precise, but it can be unnecessarily heavy in flat or low detail areas. Increase this value to a higher percentage, such as 1% for a subtle change or 20% for a stronger effect. Start conservatively, then edge upward until you hit a sweet spot. What Adaptive does is allow the remesher to use larger polygons in simpler regions and reserve finer polygons only where detail is needed. The result is a lower total polygon count and faster remeshing times. Be mindful that pushing it too high can introduce visible simplification, especially along sharp edges or tiny features. If you notice loss of definition, dial it back slightly. As you adjust Adaptive, keep an eye on the mesh and its polygon count. Most interfaces display a live polygon count readout, and you should see that number drop as Adaptive increases. Watch the viewport while orbiting and zooming. Performance should feel snappier, and remeshing updates should resolve more quickly. Focus on the silhouette and critical detail areas to ensure the look remains faithful to your design. The relationship is straightforward. Higher adaptive typically means fewer polygons and faster remeshing, balanced against the level of detail you're comfortable sacrificing. That's all it takes. Select the remesh object, open its attributes, raise adaptive from 0% to a sensible value, and confirm the improvement by observing the mesh and polygon count. With a small tweak, you'll get smoother interaction and quicker iterations while keeping the essential detail intact.